Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm turning this simple canvas pouch into something beautiful. Now let's add some color. I'm using blues and yellows to really make this flowers pop. Just go with the flow, layer your colors and have fun with it. Remember, it's all about enjoying the process. It's the little details that really make this flower stand out. The way the color blend, the texture of the brushstrokes and those vibrant yellow centers that just draw your eye in. Take your time with this part and enjoy the process. Painting flowers is such a calming and joyful activity. As I paint, I'm thinking how each flower has its own character. The larger ones in deep blue feel bold and confident, while the smaller ones in lighter shades add a delicate, playful touch. Together, they create this lovely harmony like a little garden right here on this pouch. Once your design is complete, let it dry for a few hours. If you want to keep the colors looking fresh, you can seal it with fabric spray or hit the paint with an iron. And there you go, a custom hand-painted flower pouch that's perfect for makeup, art supplies or whatever you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.